Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a gradient background in Photoshop. Step 1. Press Ctrl C, duplicate the background, effects, gradient overlay and choose your gradient or make this gradient color. Create multiple gradient. Okay, or I use this default background gradient. Click OK. Right click on but smart object, raster as layer. Then go to filter tab, equal free, and select your mouse pointer, bracket, use size, increase size. Okay, then Jakanaka Bomb Bomb, use draw, and use draw, multiple draw. Okay, and again down, select multiple color and change the color, change your style. Red, that's it. Sure. Use multiply 56% and use this color red. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.